Here are 5 news stories from the world of cryptocurrency. First news. Will Internet Computer fall below $10? Internet Computer is significantly lagging behind other altcoins, and its prospects do not look promising. If ICP loses the key support established earlier this year, the altcoin's price could drop to a 6-month low. The recent price drop of ICP to $10.84 triggered a wave of pessimism among altcoin holders. This sentiment is reflected in the Chaikin Money Flow CMF indicator, which measures asset accumulation and distribution over a period using price and volume. Last week, the CMF showed an upward trend, but a correction caused the indicator to drop below the zero line, indicating increased selling pressure. Additionally, open interest in Internet Computer futures has sharply declined according to CoinLass. It fell by $15 million in just 3 days. This suggests that traders prefer to close positions in ICP and wait for more favorable market conditions. Currently, ICP is testing critical support at $10.83, level that has held since January this year. A fall below this would mark a 6-month low, potentially pushing the altcoin's price down to $10 and testing the $9 level as support. However, a rebound could drive ICP to $12 and a successful breakthrough of $12.90 invalidate the bearish thesis. Second news. LTC indicators hint at a bullish reversal. The current dynamics of Litecoin indicate a potential consolidation phase, laying the groundwork for a possible bullish reversal. On the 4-hour chart, Litecoin is trading 4% below critical EMAs, which are located at $83 and $82. The Ichimoku cloud complicates the situation, as LTC recently broke its lower boundary. The altcoin also faces significant short-term resistance at the baseline of the 4-hour cloud. A breakout and consolidation above it could start a bullish momentum. The Relative Strength Index RSI on the 4-hour chart is deeply in oversold territory at 32, indicating the asset is undervalued, potentially setting the stage for growth. Litecoin's struggle to break above the Ichimoku cloud on the daily chart suggests market caution. Previous attempts have failed, indicating that this cloud represents a critical resistance level in the medium term. Additionally, LTC is trading below both EMAs. If the price successfully overcomes these levels, it could signal a continuation towards key resistance levels of $88 and $91. The increase in active Litecoin addresses indicates a potential upward trend. As the name implies, active addresses are wallets that have made transactions over a certain period. By tracking changes in their number, investors and analysts can gauge the level of interest in Litecoin. The recent sharp rise in active addresses for Litecoin from 340,000 to 860,000 over the past week indicates increased user engagement. This trend could contribute to a breakthrough through the daily Ichimoku cloud, potentially driving the price upwards. The data above suggests the possibility of 2 scenarios for Litecoin. A decisive breakthrough of the Ichimoku cloud could end the current medium-term bearish trend and start a bullish phase. Additionally, the MVRV ratio is below 1, indicating that the market is undervalued, providing investors with a strategic entry point. However, if LTC fails to break through the 100 and 200 EMAs on the 4-hour chart, the decline may continue. Third news. Saudi Arabia joins China's mBridge initiative. Saudi Arabia has joined the mBridge Central Bank Digital Currency CBDC initiative focused on international trade, developed by China. With this move, the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority SAMA aims to create a more innovative infrastructure for cross-border payments. Experts believe that the oil-rich country could use this project to simplify payments for oil. Saudi Arabia has become the 6th official member of mBridge, whose goal is to reduce reliance on the US dollar in oil trade between China and Saudi Arabia. The mBridge project, launched in 2021, is a collaborative effort between the Innovation Hub of the Bank for International Settlements, the Bank of Thailand, the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates, the Digital Currency Institute of the People's Bank of China, and the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. The project's task is to create a common CBDC platform for wholesale cross-border payments and settlements. A representative of the Bank for International Settlements announced that mBridge has reached the stage of a minimum viable product, meaning the project has moved beyond the prototype phase. The joining of the largest economy from the G20 strengthens its future prospects. Fourth news. Family offices allocate 5% of investment portfolio to cryptocurrencies. BNY Mellon analysts, in collaboration with Harris Poll, conducted a survey among 189 family offices worldwide, managing between $250 million and $5 billion. The survey revealed that family finance managers have varying attitudes towards cryptocurrencies. 39% of respondents actively invest in digital assets and are willing to increase their investments. 38% show no interest in cryptocurrencies, while 30% are in the golden middle considering crypto assets. Representatives of 55% of family offices prefer exchange-traded funds tied to cryptocurrencies. 54% lean towards trading cryptocurrencies directly on exchanges. More than half of family offices, 57% loyal to cryptocurrencies, want to stay informed about new investment trends and opportunities. 30% consider cryptocurrencies a good tool for hedging against inflation, while another 30% cite the influence of younger generations. The main factors preventing these management companies from investing in cryptocurrencies are hacker attacks and cybercrime 77%, uncertainty about cryptocurrency regulation 74%, and high volatility of coins 67%. 66% of respondents do not consider cryptocurrencies an effective means of preserving value. Family offices showed particular interest in artificial intelligence, according to BNY Mellon specialists. Nearly 80% of survey participants are ready to invest in AI over the next 5 years, as this technology allows for better performance of certain operations, ensures business process automation, and increases labor productivity. BNY Mellon became one of the first American banks to offer clients Bitcoin and Ether custody services. In 2023, BNY Mellon Corporation's head of digital assets, Michael DeMissi, suggested that the cryptocurrency market downturn should not affect institutional investors' interest in the industry. Fifth news. Hackers extort Bitcoins using Akira. Major companies are becoming targets of ransomware, whose creators demand a ransom in Bitcoins to unlock access to operating systems and data. Hackers behind the program target computers with Windows and Linux systems and use ransomware as a service platforms. Over the past year, Akira hackers have stolen $42 million from more than 250 organizations in North America, Europe, and Australia. Singapore authorities have advised local firms not to transfer cryptocurrencies to hackers, as this does not guarantee that attackers will return control over the data or refrain from publishing compromised information. Moreover, attackers may attempt another attack in hopes of receiving a larger ransom. Organizations in the city-state are strictly recommended to take measures to strengthen security, enable multi-factor authentication and system encryption, filter network traffic, and disable unused ports and hyperlinks. Recently, Singaporean law firm Shuk Lin Bok fell victim to Akira hackers and agreed to pay $1.4 million in bitcoins to regain access to their document management system.